Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to the University of Southern Denmark as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then we're going to be searching for STU MIT account activation, or MIT STU account activation. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard, and then tap on the first link. Tap on the second here. Here, enter your SDU examination number, make sure that you're not a robot, hit continue, and then follow the on-screen instructions to activate your account. After you have activated your account, we're going to be heading over to the search bar one more time, and then we're going to be typing in MIT SDU login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link, scroll down, tap on the third link, which will lead you to the SSO page. Here you must enter your email, hit next, and then enter your password to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.